Hey guys, here's a video for tonight. Let's take a look at the Euro Yen. Today we had again a massive pop here. Looked like initially that this thing was going to fall down, but clearly just rallied back up, and we could see a break through here and just continued upside. Okay, if so, possibly a retest of these highs up here. Okay, let's take a look real quick at the S&P. On the S&P here now, we've rallied right into this resistance where I've drawn this line right here. You can see the low here was 645. Okay, and we're just retesting that area right there. So significant area of resistance there. Also, if I draw my fib tool, I'll take my retracement. I'm going to go from this swing high here down to this low. And then if I pop in my 382, you'll see that we're right in there. Okay, but then, again, anything could happen. We could rally up, and then pull back here. We do have on the 4-hour chart a short entry that sets up if we can get to around 770s, 765s. So if we rally up there tomorrow, we'll take a swing short going into the weekend for Monday. Some of the after markets, let's just take a look at gold. Gold not doing a whole bunch. Gold's came below 900 here, and then we've got this quick pop. Currently trading, I believe it's trading a little higher than that, but I could be wrong. Let's double check. Yeah, I don't think this is updated, but currently trading at around 925, so still up a little bit. Okay, but again, if we can break through again, I think we'd be looking at 870s at the minimum, and then probably 835s to 845s. And then let's just take a quick look at the pound. We had a long entry on the pound a couple days ago. Those of you didn't were able to get in this morning. We got the long entry right here. We had the long entry right here. And then stops are below these lows. And then target is essentially right back into these highs right here, 618 retracement. Okay, so if I take my 618 retracement, I'm going to take my retracement tool, I'm going to measure from this high here to that low. So again, let me readjust this. I was a little off. Target would be just up here. Okay, so 4260s, 4270s for target. Still quite a ways away, a couple hundred pips. And that's really it that we're looking in the markets. Those of you who are trading stocks, fantastic day again. The Goldman Sachs trade just doing amazing these last couple of days, up around 400 to 500% depending on what calls you bought. The S&P traders also, the S&P traders that bought either the spiders down at the lows, or we called the 666 lows, or bought the futures contracts or any options, opportunity to definitely reduce your risk at least by half here, again into a significant point of resistance. Unless we see a move back up, I'll take my tool here, retracement from this high to this low. So we could see a rally back into the 92s. Again, there's prior resistance, but again, major resistance here, could see follow through. If not, we're at the 382 here, so let me. So we're at 382 prior resistance. Definitely a significant break of structure here. So significant resistance here. Now again, when the 382 holds, usually that's a strength of signal. So here's a situation where here, we're from this high, okay, up to this low. We got through the 382, but again, as soon as we got to the 50 or around that zone, we couldn't hold it. We tried again, and then boom, boom. So again, this between here and 50 is going to be a significant area of resistance. Okay, if the bulls are able to get through here, then I expect again into the 90s. and then probable resistance there. Okay, so we'll watch for those, and that's really it. Nothing else setting up in these markets. We have news tomorrow. The news tomorrow is we have international trade at 8:30. That's going to be a market mover, and then consumer sentiment as well at 9:55 Eastern. So again, we'll see you guys in the room. If you guys have any questions, feel free to email us or sign up for our newsletter online at RatioTraders.com. Right there. Sign up for our newsletter, you get all information. And again, we have a webinar coming up soon, so you can check that out. Or you can go a step further. 2-month training course, you'll get all the information. You get full access to the site, the training, the premium videos. You'll learn the ratio trader. You'll be making money while you're learning because we call out the live trades. Okay, any market, any time frame. We trade all markets, any time frame. Stocks, equities, futures, options, Forex, you name it. You also get fantastic money management and then personal mentoring, which is more important than ever. All right, so half off for the first month for March, and then it'll go back up to the $9.95 price. So I look forward to seeing you in the room.